in my math practice worksheets packet, and I'm going to show you the directions for Thursday's assignment, Unit 2, Formative Task Class Poetry Book, solo work. So that means I'm not going to give you any free answers, but I will explain how to do it. It's on pages 8 and 9. Okay, there are 5 questions. Now, before you even solve this, let me give you a hint. In class on Thursday, in your first small group meeting, you're going to actually solve this class photo book task. So this is a different task with different numbers. Please don't copy your answers. You will get them wrong. But it does have the similar process. So you can look at what you do in class for this and use it to help you solve this one, because this is solo work. So please don't ask your parents for help and just do the best you can. Our class is creating a poetry book. There is a lot to do to create and order this book, and your teacher needs help planning it. There will be 24 students writing 1 poem each for this book. Actually, let me highlight that for you. 24 students writing 1 poem each. Help your teacher plan the pages. Each page must have the same number of poems. What are all of the possible combinations so that each page has exactly the same number of poems? For example, if one page has exactly 1 poem, the book will have 24 pages. So I could write that as my answer is 1 and 24. So what are all the possible combinations? 1 poem per page equals 24 pages. So 1 and 24 is a possible combination. What are the other combos? Which combination makes the most sense to you and why? If you were really making the book, what would you do? Question 3, the publisher has a limit of 5 poems per page. What is the smallest number of pages needed to fit all 24 poems? What would help you make the thinnest book if there's a limit of 5 poems per page? Show your thinking using a labeled sketch and equations. You just want to draw out what you're thinking. Question 4, the poetry book will be shipped in packages of 4. So think of putting 4 in a box, and 1 book costs $12. How much does 1 package cost? 1 book costs $12, and there's 4 of them in the package. Finally, how much will it cost for all of the students to buy a book? Remember, there are 24 students. Show your thinking using numbers, words, and/or labeled sketches.